There are many varieties of laying hens, but the most common is the single-comb white leghorn. These birds have got a lot going for them. They reach egg-laying maturity early, adapt well to different climates, and are known for consistently laying a large number of white-shelled eggs. These hens also have a relatively small body size, use their feet efficiently, and can produce over 250 eggs a year. With laying hens, controlled or selective breeding is used. For parents of new chicks, hatcheries pick the strongest, healthiest birds with good egg-laying records, so they can pass on favorable genetic factors like disease resistance. While white eggs are the favorite for most of the U.S., brown-shelled eggs are now available in most markets, and they're the preference in one area of the country. The names of the original brown egg-laying hens, from which modern breeds are derived, give it away. Rhode Island Red, New Hampshire, Plymouth Rock.
Oh, I know. New England?
Right.
And on commercial hens, their coloring tells you what color egg they will lay. If the bird has white feathers and earlobes, like the leghorn, it will lay white eggs. If it has dark feathers and red earlobes, it will lay brown eggs.
So is there any difference between white and brown-shelled eggs?
Besides the color? Nope, they're the same. Cook the same and have the same high-quality protein. It's just a matter of choice, I guess. So how'd you do on egg formation?
Oh, check this out. I got this from Auburn University.
Cool.
The hen's reproductive system consists of the ovary, where the yolk develops, and the oviduct, where the egg is completed. In the ovary are thousands of future yolks called ova. They develop one at a time, each encased in its own sac, or follicle. At ovulation, the follicle ruptures and releases a yolk into the oviduct. The yolk passes through the infundibulum into the magnum. This is where the hen will deposit a dense, shock-absorbing layer of albumin around the yolk.
Then the shell membranes are formed in the isthmus. The egg is more like a blob of jello wrapped in cellophane at this point. It doesn't get its shape until it gets to the uterus.
The egg spends most of its time in the uterus, where the shell is formed out of calcium carbonate. Just before laying, the egg rotates, so it will be laid large end first. This whole process takes about 24 to 26 hours. After the egg is laid, the hen will start the cycle again in about 30 minutes.